You just graduated, everyone's talking about how exciting college is, but no one warns you how broke, tired, and stressed you're actually gonna be. Between classes, bills, and working some minimum wage job just to survive, yeah, it's a lot. Take it from somebody who did it. So what if you had another option? Something that's flexible, online, and is actually profitable. That's where dropshipping comes in. And now, it's actually way easier than ever and faster for you to actually get started. You can test what works, try different products, even launch multiple stores in a matter of minutes to test what works and what doesn't work for you. There is some work up front, but later on in this video, I'm gonna show you the perfect tool that can save you hours upon hours of time every single week. So let's just go ahead and break it all down. All right, first things first, let's get one thing straight. I'm not saying skip college, but I am saying, wouldn't it be nice to have options, or at the very least an income source that doesn't require you to be serving coffee all day or working a job where you're miserable and not really making much money, if any at all? Because most people use that money to help pay for college. Most people start school broke. They go to debt just to pay for books. They can work crazy shifts between classes just to keep up with bills and eat ramen every day for weeks on end. I'm sorry if I laugh at that, but that just brings back memories with some of my friends that literally that was just the only thing that they literally could afford to eat for, again, weeks. And it sucks. The lifestyle of a broke college student, it sucks. That kind of stress it's just not sustainable. I know a lot of people who didn't finish because it was too stressful for them. It was just too much. Now, dropshipping gives you a way to build something now, during summer, in between classes, or even while you're eating those ramen packs, all without needing inventory, a warehouse, or thousands or even hundreds of dollars. You just find a product, list it in your store, and when somebody buys it, your supplier ships it straight to the customer. You're just the middleman, and a smart one at that. And the best part, you can start with like just 50 bucks. That's cheaper than one college textbook and potentially more profitable in the long run. Back in the day, starting an online store took weeks, if not months. Now, you can literally build multiple stores in one afternoon. You've got tools to help you find winning products and help you import them in an instant, AI that writes your descriptions and your titles, and even builds your stores. And platforms like TikTok or Instagram Reels or YouTube Shorts that are making people rich off of one single viral post. We're all living in a time right now where starting a business is more accessible than it has ever been. You don't even need a laptop. Some people are building stores from their phone. I know students that are pulling in $500 to over $1,000 a month from their dorm. Not millions, but that's rent, that's food, that's just overall freedom. And that's just the beginning. By the way, if you're into this kind of stuff, make sure you hit subscribe. We drop weekly videos like this that actually help you and show you how to do this step by step. Product research, marketing, automation, all of it. Cool? All right. Make sure you subscribe, like the video, and let's keep going. Now, let's be real. Dropshipping's not magic. At the beginning, it can feel like a lot of work. Finding products, uploading them manually, setting prices, dealing with tracking numbers. All of this time, it adds up. And if you're already juggling school and life, and potentially a job as well, that's the kind of stuff that makes people quit before they ever even see their first sale or any results. But that's where things get interesting, because now tools like AutoDS exist, and they straight up eliminate most, if not all, of the boring parts. Let me give you a quick example. This is a fully built and converting Shopify store that was made with AI in a matter of minutes. This is another one, but in a different niche. Now here we have a converting product page that's already equipped with apps that can help you upsell and increase your average order value. You can also skip manually importing all of your products. That means that you don't have to download absolutely any images, no copying and pasting of titles, no copying and pasting of descriptions, calculating your profits, and all of that boring and time-consuming stuff. Instead, you can automatically import a product from a supplier in one single click using the AutoDS Chrome extension, or simply paste all of your supplier and your product links into the AutoDS product importer. AutoDS will also write your product descriptions and titles if you wanted to using AI. It also helps set your prices to ensure that you're always profitable by keeping track of your supplier's pricing, syncing your images, and even keeping track of your supplier's inventory so you never miss a sale, or sell a product that's out of stock on your supplier's end, which can then result in either refunds, chargebacks, or just upset customers. Orders are starting to come in. Well, AutoDS can fulfill them for you. Even tracking numbers get sent out automatically. It's like having a full team right behind you, but for less than what you would spend on one textbook. That means you can focus on what actually matters. Finding good products and building your brand. Oh, and of course, the fun part, at least my favorite part, marketing. I personally love creating organic UGC ads with products that I order. It's just something that I enjoy doing. So really, you're going to spend less time stressing and more time growing your business or your e-commerce store. Now, if you do want to try out AutoDS, then you can give us a shot right now for just $1 for the trial period and enjoy automation for your entire e-commerce and dropshipping business for the next 2 weeks. And if you want to learn how you can build multiple stores in literally just a matter of minutes to help you find what niche works for you, then you can check out this video right here to help you get started. Now, here's the thing that most people don't realize. College is the perfect time to try this. You've got flexibility, student discounts, and maybe even access to free campus Wi-Fi and different types of tools. Like, let's say you might not have a laptop, you can use the school computers. And if you start right now, you can give yourself time to figure it all out, especially with the help of AI and all of these tools, all at the same time, or while your classmates are still trying to land internships, or at the very least, get hired at, Starbucks. Not that there's anything wrong with that, it's just not for everyone. It definitely wasn't for me. Even if you don't, blow up, you're still learning skills that can really help you on later in life. Marketing, branding, customer service, business. This could be your side hustle, it could be your tuition, or it could be your payment plan, or even your unexpected path to just overall financial freedom. Who knows? This could ultimately be the career that you dreamed of without ever really expecting it. So if you just graduated and you're staring down 4 years of debt and stress, or maybe more, because some people have 4-year careers, 10-year careers, 20-year careers, I don't know. I didn't really go to college for that long, but it's a long time and it's a lot of money. Don't wait for some miracle to start. Start building your own thing right now. Try dropshipping. You really have nothing to lose. Use tools that save time, give yourself options, and who knows, this might just be the thing that lets you walk across that stage completely debt-free, or not need to walk across it at all. Either way, you'll be in control. Now, go ahead and get out there and start building something. With that, my name is Mario with AutoDS. Huge thank you to everyone for watching, especially if you made it all the way to the end. I wish you all nothing but success in your business and in your college life. If you found this video helpful, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and with that, I'll catch y'all next time.